more chicken biscuit. So we're back with another one of Too Many Custom, and we're ready to go pick up us another 4-wheeler. Hope it's not gonna be that much to restore into it, but we're gonna see what we're getting out of it. The other ones we didn't get because it was in bad shape, and we cannot invest in trash. We like quality stuff that makes good restoration that don't cost so much, and we like doing budget bills for the best turnaround profit. So today we're going to pick up another one for a good price. Hopefully you only need a few things like you say. We're going to look at it. We should take it home. I should get this thing running in, let's say, 20 minutes, if so. And if so, this is going to be a good one. Stay tuned. Oh, you see it. And we've done 21 gallons. Know what it's going to cost us to fill him up. No, we're here to the location, but we got to wait. Pretty day outside.
It's starting to feel like fall, y'all.
A little bit.
It's starting to feel like fall.
Oh, you see it.
What?
Yes, no.
My kids, they just drive a little bit. You see, this almost is still in the end. But I don't have use for. At least it's
What are you doing?
So another one, another rescue, semi-4. We got to clean it up, good power wash, and that's the first thing, good power wash. And after that, we'll speed around in a little bit till later on. Another one, Too Many Custom, 125 ATV semi. First power wash down, clean it up. Needs a new key switch, battery, and the carb should be good, but we're gonna do a tune up on it, all change, spark plug, full 101, you know how I do it. But it's another one too many. Oh, you see it. All the way clean through that thing as opposed to. All clean, ready to go. We're gonna drain the gas out, spark plug and everything else to keep on moving. Let's try to get a battery and the key switch first. Just need a new key switch, starter switch, battery, carburetor. Let's see if we're gonna get it started. So we got it running now. It's up and going. New CDI, carburetor, key switch, a few other little things. We're gonna do a wheel alignment, readjusted the chain, all change, and then get ready for paint. Oh, it's up and running in Pearl like I said it was. One eye, you see it. Another satisfied customer. And let me show you what I normally do, a ritual, break it in.
You did on me? I hold diggity.
Psych.
Hey man, what you doing on this bike?
Working on it.
Working on it. It's trying to find me.
Ain't nothing I don't know about the engine or wheel.
Well, I just want you to know about this bike that you gotta do the back, not forward, okay? You gotta do one back, not down.
Ah, this shit goddamn good. Everybody knows one down.
Oh, really?
Goddamn! This thing got reverse.
I told you one back. I guess you do know what you're doing, huh?
Hell, I didn't know you go in first gear. Oh,
That's not first gear. That's reverse.
no now.
You need to come up off my bike, man. You need to come on off my bike. I think you done broke it.
Oh, that's neutral.
I think you done broke it.
I know what I'm doing. Need a little time to get right.
Don't be messing with nothing down there if you don't know what you're doing now. Look here,
I see my
Fred.
uncle do it on his four-wheeler.
Look here, Fred. Don't be messing with nothing down there,
I
okay?
see my papa work on his four-wheeler like that.
Well, your papa not here, okay?
But his spirit is right here. So that means he's right there.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
So I need to go one up. I mean, up for one, not down. This little four-wheeler tiny thing confused me.
Look at this fool. He don't have good sense. I swear he don't got good sense. Riding, cowboy. You gonna park it?
Reverse. I'm not sure you try to spin around in a second. And we're working on the next one. She's gonna try to cut a donut. Let's see.
Now what you doing? You moving your hips?
Don't ask me nothing. Do what you do. Try to ask me what I do. Scary ass. Now show something. All right, give me a second. Stop, Delana. She said, ask me to come and look at a bike. That's too big. Yes, sir. Madness. And one of my sessions gone crazy. I ain't got no power because I just fucked the plug up. But do you see that? Oh, you see it. Couple little drifters right here. My boy was just in the middle. You see how I put that circle around him? He's right there. Come on around and round and round. Now we out this.